So general journal 15, because we finished the last page of the 14. So let's go ahead and finish up the cost of goods sold right here.
Okay. So you want me to finish it?
Doesn't matter. Whoever wants to go.
Okay. I'll finish it because I did the other part of it.
Okay.
All right. So the date will be the 26th.
26, okay.
And yep. And then it's going to be our COGS, or cost of goods sold, regular coffee.
Okay.
And then our cost of goods sold supreme coffee below that.
Sorry, I'm just going to copy it. And it's an in-store, so we can go ahead and copy that. All right, so taking some shortcuts here because we can. And so we got, oh man, I missed it.
I have a question for you. In the real world, would that be acceptable to go through and do for stuff that's like very repetitive like this, or would they frown upon that?
I mean, if you're using Excel, you could do whatever you'd like. But when it comes to QuickBooks, unfortunately, actually, when you go into QuickBooks, you'd be surprised. You can memorize whatever transaction you'd like, and if you happen to have the same exact one, you just click on it. So is it frowned upon? Absolutely not. Shortcuts are the best way to do tedious things, and that's what QuickBooks is for. All right? So is it frowned upon? Absolutely not. In fact, it's encouraged. So
there's a lot of data entry. So, and when it's so repetitive, like this is every single day, this little snippet of it. So.
Well, for you guys who are coming into looking at this, I would recommend you to do it so you can ingrain in your memory. Okay, this is what I do. This is what I do. This is what I do. For me, I've done this about the last 3 years.
Too many times to count.
Too many times to count. So, anyways, yes.
Okay, so now that we did that little shortcut there, let's go to our inventory to figure out our numbers to plug it in.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at how much of each. So 19 for regular and 19.5 for supreme.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so we're going to start with our inventory worksheet for our regular coffee. So we are going to put the 19 pounds down, and it's going to be at the 1.62.
1.62. Yes, it's going to be at our average cost. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am. For our total being $30.84.
Okay, hold on. Let me do my equal round formula in here. All right, comma 2.
I always get nervous when you do this because I'm like, is it going to round right for me? Okay. I have a little anxiety today for some reason.
No worries. We're getting close to the end. That's what I think that's what it is.
Okay.
So $30.84. Did you get that?
That is what I got.
Perfect.
All right. So now we're going to go over and adjust our inventory. So we have to take the 19 pounds out of there, out of the 227, which is going to leave us with 208 pounds.
Okay.
We have to subtract the $30.84 from the $368.41, which is going to leave us with $337.57. And our new average is going to be 1.62293.
Okay, so we actually got a difference in here.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit.
A little bit, right?
Yep, some sliver of a penny.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we're going to go to our supreme. And we are going to put the date, 6/26. This one was 19.5 pounds. Come on. And then ours is it's the first in, first out method for this. So we're going to use the 119.5 pounds at $1.84 pound.
Good.
All right, so it's going to be equals this.
Ooh, let me see if there's a rounding in here. Equal round. Okay.
What did you come up with? Okay,
I
35.88.
got 30,
That's what I
30.
answered.
Okay.
All right. Then we have to go up and we have to subtract our 19.5 pounds out of that inventory, which is going to leave us with exactly 100 pounds at
At 30.
$1.84 equals this, making our amounts for that coffee $184, and our total for our two batches $415.25.
Okay. Good.
All right, so now we got to go plug that in on the journal.
It's $30.84. 30.84. 30.84. Okay. Supreme coffee was 35.88. 35.88.
Okay. So now we did our inventory, we did our general, we did our journal. Now we have to go in and do our ledger.
Mm-hmm.
And start with our regular coffee, which is right here.
Cost of goods sold.
Oh yeah,
Cost of goods sold. Okay.
regular coffee, 626. We used 19 pounds of regular coffee.
Mm-hmm.
General journal, journal 15 now. And our amount for that was the 30.84. Bringing our new total to $470.93.
470.93. Good.
Awesome. All right, so we're going to do the Supreme. 626 for the date. This one we used 19.5 pounds. General journal 15. And this one was for $35.88. Bringing our total to $499.50.
$499.50. Good.
Yep. All right, and now we have to go to our assets and update our inventory. Start with our regular coffee. 620 for the date. Again, we use 19 pounds.
626. Use 19 pounds.
Oops. Equals. Oops. Bringing our total to $399.25. Oh, I was supposed to subtract when I added.
It's okay. 337.57. Is that what we have on our inventory? 337.57. Wow. Okay, I guess so. 33757.
Okay.
Did you get 33757?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
All right, and now we're going to go to our Supreme Coffee. 26. This one we used 19.5 pounds. General Journal 15. And this one was for $35.88. All right, bringing us to 415.25.
That's correct, right?
415.25.
4:15:25. Yes, it is. Wow. Okay. Sorry, I'm imagining other numbers. So good.
And that's it.
And that's
That's
it.
it. Yes.
Okay.
We did our deposit. Okay.
Yes, we did our deposit. We're still in the negatives, but we still got a couple more days. We still got the 27, the 28, 29, and 30. We still got 3 more. We got a couple more days to bring up our revenues.
All right.
All right. So here we delivered to Super A Market.
Right, okay. Well, the date is now the 27th.
Okay.
Okay, and so invoice number 106, date 27th, terms 1% 10, net 20, Super A Market. Items are regular coffee, 75 pounds for $246.75. Supreme coffee, 55 pounds, $219.45. Ceramic coffee mugs, 85 for $424.15. Subtotal of $890.35. Then their advanced payment of the $460.18. And the delivery charge of $30. And the invoice amount here is $460.17. So, let's see here. I am going to do accounts receivable.
Okay, correct.
Okay. And that is account number 11,000. Okay, and then it's sales of regular coffee.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see here. Okay, you skipped a line, so that tells me I forgot something else up there. Now, do I do that payment there?
What payment?
The payment that they already made, do you have to note that, or?
Where did we place it?
Where was that? Where's that weird place? Unearned revenue.
Unearned revenue. Yes. Since we are now redeeming or making advance payment for this particular order, now that we're completing our revenues, right? We earned our revenue. Now we need to undo this liability because we no longer owe this service anymore.
Gotcha.
So, yes, this is going to be
That's going to be there. Okay.
unearned revenue. Yes. Okay, we completed the task, so now we no longer owe them. So, to reverse a liability, right? We originally credited it, so now it's a debit.
Okay. And it's still the 26,000 account number.
26,000.
Okay. And then I did regular coffee, supreme coffee, and then we have the ceramic.
Did we sell ceramic coffee mugs to them? Yes,
Yes.
we did.
Mm-hmm. So, where's that one? That is 40150. And the delivery income as well.
Yes, delivery income.
Here's the last thing on there, and that account number is 48,000. All right, so let's see here. So up in the accounts receivable, the debit column is going to be the 46017. And the unearned revenue will be the 46018. Okay. And for the regular coffee, that is $246.75. Supreme is $219.45. The mugs are $424.15. And the delivery income is $30. Here. Yes, I do equal both. Okay. And then, see here, so in my notes, I will, this is for Super A Market. And this is invoice number 106. And okay, their terms.
Yep, you can put their terms.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
their terms. And that is all I need right now in the note.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see here. All right, now we'll go to the ledger.
Ledger. Okay.
Yes, and we'll go to the accounts receivable.
Accounts receivable.
And then the date is the 27th. And that's the invoice number, number 106. General Journal 15. And this is going to be for the 46017. And that will bring that column to $1,709.12. The total there.
Okay.
And then we have to go to the unearned revenue, which is under the liability, 26,000. Is that? So the date, 27th. And I'll just
So
do a repeat of what was in the column up above there, Super A Market.
you probably would just do. You would just probably do the invoice 106.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. Okay. 106.
Oops.
And that's General Journal 15. And then the debit column, it'll be the 460, 18.
Oh, I already fast forward that.
You're up on, oops,
You're gonna go up one.
let me do that again. All right, so yes, up one,
You're gonna
and
add any credits
okay,
and subtract any
then
debits.
subtract the debit,
Yes.
and there is a nothing left, so that's
Good.
good.
It's zeroed out. Good.
Yeah, and all right. Oh, where am I? Okay, so going to revenue
Mm-hmm. So,
under the regular coffee.
okay.
There it is. And the date 27th, and that was for 75 pounds. General Journal 15. Credit column for 246.75, making the total there $789.60. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to Supreme Coffee, which is 4100, and underneath, and the date of 27th, and that was 55 pounds. General Journal 15. Credit column of 219.45, making the new total there $798 even.
Okay.
Alright, and now we will go to the ceramic mugs, 41.50. And that was for 85 mugs.
85 mugs.
General Journal 15.
General Journal 15.
And that is $424.15 in the credit column. Bringing that new balance to $1,349.64.
Okay.
And then all the way to delivery income, 48,000. The date, 7th invoice number, 106. General Journal 15, $30, bringing that total to $180. And now we will go to the subsidiary ledger under customers. And the date. And you don't need a note, right? Because you're paying it for it's the invoice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can just put in invoice number 106. General Journal 15. And now we can do the 1% in net 20.
Is that what it says?
Yes.
1% net,
1% and
net
then
20.
net 20.
Okay.
Okay. Now the due date would be June. What's the date? 27th.
Mm-hmm.
July the 7th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the due date were, if it went all the way, net
Oh,
20.
20.
20. Yes. So look at you're trying to fool me. Count. All right. So 17th. Okay. So here, the amount due is the 460.17.
Okay.
Okay.
How do I get to 460.17?
Well, that's the amount due. So the whole, that's what I didn't understand. Why would I not put would I not put the whole invoice amount?
You do.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, okay. So I can add the prepayment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's what I was not sure of. Plus the 30. So the 890, 35 plus the 30. Oops. So 920.35. Oh, wait. Do you add in the?
I don't know what you're doing.
I added in the delivery charge.
Okay.
I would not. Would I do that on the?
Absolutely, because they
Okay.
still owe it.
All right. So it's the 920.35.
Okay.
And with the payment, so. Why is Alright, so now I'm confused.
Okay. All right, so here's a quick
So
lesson.
here I have to put the advanced payment in.
Yes,
Okay, that's where I was like, wait, why isn't it working? Okay, so now I put this 460.18 in the advanced payment column on this line.
correct.
Okay. Alright, pull this down. Okay, so then, yes, 460.17 is due on this invoice,
Okay.
bringing the total balance to 958.97 due.
Okay. So let's go ahead and watch this one carefully because this is the one that you had a question on why
Yeah.
can't I just place this in there. So so let me go back and try to adjust this so then it's in the middle. So Super A market, right? So we just placed this invoice in for 106. Now, how you understand this could be in many different ways. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase this, okay? Because we're going to do the scenario, right? So let's say you, what is it, on the 24th, right? They gave us an advance payment, right? So right now we have a couple invoices that are due. We have one invoice that is due for $498.80. They didn't pay that just yet, okay? However, we go ahead and place in an advance payment for the $460, right? If you place it here, 460.18, right? And you didn't adjust that you had the payment, right? Because the payment is considered a negative as well.
Okay.
All right? So if you just left here in the advance payment, because that's technically what it is,
Okay, right.
so now it's a negative in this number.
Right.
Okay?
Away from the real balance. Okay.
Okay, but that's just okay. So ignore this balance here.
Ignore
So
that.
I'm going to actually place it right here, so then you can ignore it.
Gotcha.
Okay, so let me place that there, and get rid of this right here. Okay, so right now we have an advance payment. We owe them $460 worth of service. Now the invoice that we just sent out, right? If we disregard because we have the 460.18 in there, right? And we look at just what the invoice amount is just for, which is the 460.17, and we place it 460.17. Now we're short by a penny.
Okay.
All right, and that's just placing what you see on the invoice. Because right, this is what we billed them for, right? We're supposed to bill them for this 460.17, and that's what it says right here, right? So this is what it appears if you don't, if you're not careful, right? We placed it exactly how we said, right? We placed the advance payment. We placed the invoice amount, so it recognizes that Super A Market owes us the 460.17. However, our calculations doesn't look right. It says that we owe a penny.
Right.
Okay. Now let's say okay. So flip reverse this. Okay. If you reflect that this is 9/20/35, right? It shows us that now, if we leave it as advance payment and we type in that the sales receipt was for a total of $920.15, just looking at this, we have two invoices now. We don't have a total invoice of what is reflected because the invoice for 106 is not $920.35. That's not what it's supposed to be reflecting, right? The invoice amount that's reflecting is supposed to be for the 460.17. So that is why when I show you this is that, if you place this in advance payment and you attempt to go ahead and pay that off, right? Because that's what they did, right? They gave us a check. They gave us some form of payment. That doubles the negative. That doubles it twice.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay.
So then when I cut,
as it's an invoice, but then you're gonna note it in the next one as
correct.
an
So
advance payment really isn't an advance payment when it comes in. It's only advance payment when you go to use it.
exactly. So here I recognize, well, I technically will potentially have the $460 worth of sales, right? Potentially. And they advance paid it already. So that means I owe them $460.18 worth of sales. All right. When I come here and I apply that $460.18 and then recognize that my total grand sales is supposed to be for $920.35, then my bill is now reflecting the 460.17. And right now, that's exactly how much I owe.
What it owes, yeah.
Exactly. So that's why I use it this way and understand it this way. Now, what you can do is, instead of having an extra line here, right? So the thing about that is now you're squishing too much information into one line. All right. As you can see, our reference points are two different journals. We have it on the 13th and the 15th. We have the dates even different too. We have it on the 24th and the 27th. This one you're going to add a check number. This one you don't really need to put anything in there. But you see the difference. And on top of that, now we're cramming way too much information in one line. And that's generally, you can do it. So then when you do complete this invoice, right, you can leave it as is. So if this one line, so again, let's say I wanted to just recognize this one line right here, I could put the advance payment in here. And then when I bill my bill out, that's when I can go ahead and place the 920, and that way I can save myself some space here. But then again, my information in the very beginning becomes cramped because you're dealing with two different dates, two different journal reference points, and possibly, et cetera, et cetera.
Right. Well,
So-
and then seeing it happen here, like we're really doing the whole thing, now it makes more sense than before when I hadn't done an advance payment. It's like seeing it here, it's like, okay, now I understand
Okay.
why.
Okay.
So, okay, that helps a lot more.
Okay.
But no, I understand completely.
Okay. All right. So now he owes Super A Market owes us in grand total $958.97. Right on. Okay. So that is the lesson for here on how to utilize this. We're journalizing each transaction and making sure that every date and every little piece of information and how it affects every account.
Right.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, but while we're here,
Mhm.
we're done with that part.
Mhm.
We are going to go to the commission log
Okay.
for Albert. Is he going to get commission?
Absolutely.
All right. I didn't know if we had to wait till the customer paid. I forgot. But since they actually took delivery, they're gonna pay.
Yes.
So they're
So
gonna pay.
he accomplished the sales. Okay, so this one we're under the accrual basis. So he earned it. So therefore we pay him, regardless if the person paid or not. And if the person doesn't pay, I mean, we can't penalize him. He did go and make sales for us.
Right.
It's just he made sales with the wrong person. You know what I mean? They're not paying us. So Super A market. Hmm?
And then we will shoot
Oh shoot! It already calculated it for me.
that. Slide. Super back. All right. So then doing the new amount with the 1941 plus the 9204
Mm-hmm.
is he's got a new total of $111.45.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we will take that out of there. And now we have to go to inventory.
Inventory. Okay.
Oh, let's see here. Okay, regular coffee on 6/27. And that was 75 pounds. And let's see here, that amount is 1.62293. Okay, so that brings that to $121.72. Alright, and we have a quantity of 208 minus 75. Now it's gonna be 133. And then we have our new total, 337.57 minus the $121.72. And that'll be $215.85. And our cost per unit is the same.
Yes, more or less. It's off
Yeah,
by like
yeah.
1,000,
Right,
10,000th of a penny.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay. Good.
And then we go to Supreme Coffee. And the date 27th. And let's see, so 19.5.
I think we sold 55 pounds.
Yep,
Oh,
50.
excuse me. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the wrong. Go back here.
Let's see if we can.
I need to like black out the columns that we've already done, so I stop looking at.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean.
Yeah, I'm looking on the paper. 55. So I accidentally looked up. All right. 55. And let's see here. So, and that's going to be $1.84. And so that total is $101.20. And so we will, so 100 minus 55 equals 45. And that brings that total to $82.80.
Okay.
And we will not do the mugs yet.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then I think that is all.
What do we need to do now?
Oh, we have to still do the cost of goods sold.
Yes, we need to journalize it.
All right. So, blacking out my column, sorry.
No worries. Whatever helps you
Right. So,
make you, you know.
copy and paste this.
Are we copying and pasting?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So it's still the 27th. So So copying, pasting, we already have all the numbers there. And we bring my sheet back up here. Okay, so. And the regular coffee is $121.72.
121.72.
Supreme is 101.20.
101.20.
And then in the notes, we can just put in
I put sold to a supermarket.
sold to, oh, that's it, just sold to.
Yeah, because they can return to us.
Oh, right. Free market. Do we put the invoice number again?
You don't have to.
But, okay. And then that is it. I think.
What comes after the journal? Always.
Dang it! You're gonna have to start charging me $1 or something, so I remember. Clearly, the only way I have to be punished. So, yeah.
All right. Okay.
All right. So, let's see here. Let me get my bearings out. That's what we're gonna go to. Cost of goods sold.
Mhm.
Oh.
I know this part's the tedious and long part.
I'm sorry.
This part's the long part. I sigh at this all the time. All right. So cost of goods sold, regular coffee.
Yes, and we sold
75 pounds.
75 pounds.
Yes, we did.
General Journal 15. And that is for the 121.72, bringing that total to $592.65.
Hold up, I'm still behind you.
No worries, no
So
worries.
15, we sold it for 21.72, bringing the grand total to be
$592.65.
good. Okay.
All right. And let's see here, the next one is 100, right underneath.
We sold 55.
15. Yeah, so 101.20. And that brings that to $600.70.
670. Good.
Yes. And then we will go to assets under the 12, the 120.20. Where are you? Okay, regular coffee. 627. Again, sold. That was 75 pounds. General Journal 15. And then do a credit call for the 121.72, bringing that total to $215.85.
Okay. 215.85.
And then we go right underneath to the Supreme Coffee. And the date, and we sold 55. General Journal 15. The column of 101.20, making the new total $314.05.
Good. 314.05.
I am making
Yep.
notes myself because I've had enough of me. I'm done with myself. I have notes. 2, enter or else.
Okay. All right. Let's see what happened here.
Oh, sorry. I was muted. I'm sorry. Can you go back to the cost of goods sold sheet for the Supreme coffee? I had something in there wrong and my amount was different. And
Okay.
I've been trying to fix it.
No
So I'm
worries.
like way far behind on you guys.
That's fine. We can always go back. We're way ahead of schedule. So
Okay,
so
that was it.
cost
Look at us.
cost of
I have
goods.
it right here.
So cost of goods sold. What did you say? Regular or both?
I have the Supreme. I got it. It's at the 670. I
Okay.
match now.
Okay.
So this is going to be equal this plus this. And then the regular is the 592.65.
592.65. Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry. I have to go and add my other sheet I was trying to fix. I don't know what I did.
Okay.
1 second.
That's fine.
I'm hurrying. Okay. 7, 2, oh, this is where I got it goofed up. Okay. Can I see your regular coffee on the assets? I have two. I think when I was talking about rolling back and forth, I think I clicked something because I have multiple numbers that are the same.
Okay. For the regular coffee.
Yeah.
There you go. Ah, shoot.
That is right. That is right. What did I do here? 37. This is where I goofed up back here. Plus this. 68.41. Okay. 216.85. Okay. Okay. And then for the Supreme, it was the 313.05.
315.05, I believe.
314.
Oh, 314. My bad.
Oh, never mind. I got it. There it goes. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so now back to the scenarios.
Okay.
All right.
So hold on. We just finished delivering to Super A Market. Okay, so here is the next transaction.
So again, on the 27th,
Mhm.
purchase order number 170313 to Atlantis Coffee Importers, 125 pounds of regular coffee at $1.42 per pound for $177.50. 125 pounds of Supreme coffee at $1.66 per pound for $207.50. Total cost comes to $385 even. So this one right now, we just have to add it to the purchase order. Is that right?
Mhm.
Oh, no, let me,
Yes, we're just
adding it.
ordering.
So 627. Atlas coffee. $250 of coffee. And the total again was for an even $385.
Oh, yes, you're right. 385. I only saw one. 385. Okay. It's up to you if you want to do the next one as well. Since that one,
Was so simple.
yes.
Okay, sure. All right, so we will do the Thursday, the 27th of June, daily sales summary, medium regular coffee, 238 cups, $473.62. Medium supreme coffee, 240 cups, $597.60. Ceramic coffee mugs, 7 were sold for $48.93. Subtotal $1,120.15. Sales tax at 8.25% came to $92.41. Total sales $1,212.56. So we're going to go to the general journal,
Okay.
and can we do the copy and paste for it, for the checking and the sales medium regular coffee, sales medium supreme coffee, sales ceramic coffee mugs, and the sales tax payable with the note of the in-store sales?
Yes, I'm locating it. So it's this one right here.
Yes.
Yes, you guys can do that. So make it save some time. Okay. And I'm also going to do the cost of goods sold as well. Okay.
Okay. So then we're going to look at our invoice here and see that our regular medium coffee is going to be the $473.62 on the credit side.
Okay, hold on. 473.62.
362. If I put it in the right spot. Okay. Okay, and then our Supreme coffee is for $597.60.
Okay.
Our coffee mugs were $48.93. And our sales tax came to $92.41. Bringing our total for our checking column,
Mhm.
it was $1,212.56.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Okay. Then we're going to go to our ledger.
Ledger.
And we're going to start with, oh, wait a minute, I lied. I have to go back and do the deposit.
All right. Good.
Sorry.
No worries.
We need our cash, man.
We need our cash. Yes, we do.
All right. So our deposit is going to be for the $1,212.56.
Okay. We're gonna
It'll
do
be 6/27 for the date. And since this is our daily sales, I know it's the end of the day, so we're gonna also put it on the deposit side.
good.
Okay. Now we can be done with that. Now we can click on the journal so I have my numbers and go back to the ledger
Good.
and start with our checking.
Okay, so checking all the way at the top.
Yes, ma'am. 6/27 for the date.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be sales deposit, general journal 15.
Oh man, we still didn't even make it. General journal, you say 15?
Yes, ma'am. And that total, again, is gonna be the 12/12/56.
12, 12, 56.
I'm close.
Bringing our balance to be,
$73.28 in the hole.
yes.
Almost there. A negative 73.28. Yeah. All right. Now we are gonna go to our sales for our medium regular coffee.
Oh, sales, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got it. 627.
Sales medium regular coffee. Here we are. 6/27 for our date. We had 238 cups.
238 cups. Okay, general journal 15. Okay, this is general journal 15, my bad.
And it was again for $473.62. Bringing our total to $3,797.91.
Hold on, I'm off by $1.
I have $98.91 as well. So.
Are you sure it's 473 or 472?
Oh, 473. See?
It's okay.
Okay. $3,798.91.
Right, good.
Now we're gonna go do the Supreme coffee.
627. How many cups did we sell?
That one is 240 cups. Journal 15. And the amount for this one is $597.60.
597.50.
60 cents.
Oh, it's 60, sorry.
Yes.
60, all right.
Bringing our total to $4,828.11.
Good. And then sales ceramic copies.
Which we sold 7. Journal 15. And the amount for this one is $48.93. Bringing our total to $1,398.57.
Good.
Now we have to go to our sales tax payable, which is gonna be under our liabilities. 627, general journal 15. And the amount for this is going to be $92.41.
$92.40.
41 cents.
Oh, 41. My bad. 41.
Bringing our total to $691.75.
All right, good.
Okay. Now, I don't have to do anything else on the subsidiary because it was all internal. So just
Mhm.
the custom.
Correct.
So now we just have to do our inventory
Good.
portion of it for what we used.
Good. And here we used 18 and a half of regular and 19 for supreme.
I didn't paste it yet, so I'm pasting right now. Here we go. And my date. Okay, so now I'm going to the inventory worksheet. And we're going to start with the regular coffee, which you said was 18 and a half pounds.
Regular, yes. 627 for 18 and a half pounds.
For a total of $30.02 for the coffee.
Okay.
And then we have to take the 18 and a half pounds from the 133 pounds. Leaving us with 114.5 pounds. Oh no, it pulled it out. Equals this times this, bringing our total to $185.83.
185.83. Good. Let me black this out. Boom. Good.
To the Supreme coffee,
All right.
which we used 19 pounds of.
627, 19 pounds. Let's see what we have.
All right, let's scroll up here. So we're going to take it from the 45 quantity at $1.84 a pound.
Okay.
For our total of $34.96.
That's what I got.
All right, and then we have to subtract from our 45 the 19, leaving us with 26 pounds and a total of $47.84 for that batch and $279.09 in inventory of coffee
Good.
for the Supreme.
So
Now we got to go back to our journal.
okay.
So $34.96 for the cost of goods sold for the Supreme, and then the same $34.96 for the sale. I mean, for the Supreme on the credit side.
What did you say? 34.96.
Yes.
30. Okay, for the Supreme. Okay, so 34.96.
I did the Supreme first because that's what we were on, and I had that number in my head. So
Good. Okay. Yes. Just making sure I write in the right one. And regular coffee was 30.02.
yep. in-store use. Okay, and now last but not least, we have to go to the ledger
Yes.
and put in our cups used.
Yes. So cost of goods sold.
Yes, ma'am.
Regular coffee.
627. This one was 18.5 pounds. General Journal 15. And it was for 30.02. Equals this. Bringing our new total to $622.67.
Good.
And now we're going to do the Supreme. 627. And we use 19 pounds. General Journal 15. And that was for $34.96.
$34.96.
Bringing our total to $635.66.
Okay.
And now we have to update our sales coffee in our assets.
Okay. We use
Regular coffee, 627. Used 18.5 pounds. General Journal 15. And this is for the 30.02.
yeah, 30.02. Good. Bringing our total to be
Our new total comes to 185.83.
good. And that's what we matched in our inventory worksheet. Good.
All right. Supreme now. So 627. Used 19 pounds. General Journal 15. And this one was for the $34.96.
$34.96.
Bringing our total to $279.09.
27909. Good. Okay, so let me see. The next portion, we have just enough time for it, but I mean, I think we should just go ahead and what do I want to do? Yeah, because I still have to. Okay, let's go ahead and complete this one real quick since we have time for it, since it's only 4:11. So let's do this one quickly, and then tomorrow we'll pick up on the daily sales, and then we'll complete that payroll process as well tomorrow. But before I do all of that, I will be teaching chapter 13. We'll do the coffee cafe, and then we'll go ahead and finish off. Okay? So let's go ahead and do this real quick. So now that we completed on the 27th, on the 20... Oh, actually, wait, we're still on the 27th. Oh, no, wait, we just did the daily sales. All right, so here on the 28th, we are now delivering to Mr. Great Restaurant. All right, let's go ahead and do this real quick. Who wants to do it?
Real quick.
Yeah, real quick. And it's going to be on the next page.
We'll be cutting and pasting today.
All right, so let me look up one that has just an accounts
We will-
receivable.
Huh?
You have to pick one that has an accounts receivable. Just an accounts receivable, because the last one that we did was indeed.
That had the unearned, yeah.
Yes, but I will get rid of that line. I will delete it when I copy and paste it.
Oh, that's a good idea. You okay? All right.
You go, girl. Look at you.
Right on. I'm gonna hide the lines and delete the lines and all that stuff.
Okay, so
All right.
See?
I will delete that.
but you have to be careful when you delete
Taking the
because.
note out. Well, yeah. I
Okay.
made sure it was just that line. And okay. So let's just skip reading the invoice and then putting it in. We're just gonna read as we put it in. Does that sound okay to everybody?
Let's do it.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So we do have the new date of the 28th. Okay, and so this will be accounts receivable,
Mm-hmm.
which is the 1100 or 11,000, excuse me. Okay, and we have the amount due on that is the 585.87.
Okay. For this one, I'm just gonna equal sum it so I don't have to check
Okay.
to make sure my columns fit.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
So our sales of the regular coffee were. Oh wait, no, sorry. Yes, regular coffee. That's right.
Oh my God, we didn't even have ceramic coffee mugs.
Nope, we're gonna get rid of that one too.
All right. Okay. So I guess I.
So $256.62.
$256 and what did you say? 22 cents?
Nope, 62 cents.
62. Okay, hold on. Let me bring my table over. Okay, so
All right. Next
256.
cream coffee is $299.25. Okay. And then we have our delivery income of $30.
Okay, so good. I match on my side for $585.87.
I just do mine in the sum column. I different instead of like you're doing it, which I just noticed.
It's okay. You know you can if you highlight the thing at the very bottom of your taskbar, it just tells you the sum. I just do it so that I can show you guys.
Nope, I got you.
Okay.
All right, so we are in our notes. It is great restaurants. Okay, invoice number 107. And the terms are the 1%, 10, and net 20. Okay. And now we'll go to the ledger.
Ledger.
And let's see here, accounts receivable. Accounts receivable, where did he go? Okay, and the date is the 28th. Invoice number 107.
Invoice number 107.
Still on journal 15.
We just started a new one.
Oh, crap. So on 16. Let's see, where's journal 16. And the amount's 585.87. Bringing the new total to $2,294.99.
Yep.
Okay. Now we're going to
Yep, okay.
revenues.
Revenues.
Okay. And that is your regular coffee. Where are you?
Second one at the top.
There it is. There it is. 628, and that was for 78 pounds. Federal Journal 16. Total out there $256.62, bringing that total to $1,046.22.
Okay, 1,046.22. Good.
Okay, and then we're going to our screen coffee.
Right below it. How many pounds did we?
Going too fast. Okay.
75 pounds.
Yeah, 75.
Okay, so we sold 75.
Federal Journal 16, and that's for the $299.25, bringing that total to $1,097.25.
Good. 197.25.
All right.
Okay, and now we're going to delivery income. Yeah, 48,000. 28. Invoice number 107. General Journal 16. $30. Bringing that total to $210.
210. Good.
Okay. All right, and that's it on that one. I'm gonna move this so I quit looking at the wrong thing. Okay. Subsidiary ledger.
Subsidiary ledger. Good.
And your customer.
Great Restaurant is the very first one on customers.
There we go. Okay. And the 28. And we will note the same thing, regular and supreme coffee.
Whatever you want to put in there.
And then what is the total here? 48 plus 25. So 153 pounds total. Okay, and the invoice number 107. Journal 16.
Yes, 16.
Okay, and the terms again are the 1%, 10, not 20. Making that, let's see here. What's the date? 28. So the 8th,
Okay.
7/8. And then we say it's not 20. The 18th.
Good.
And so the invoice amount is the 585.87. And that makes them have a total due of $1,141.92.
Okay. Good.
Okay. And before we leave there, we are going to commission
Commission.
and put in this to his pot.
Okay, so
Brings
10%.
his total- Yeah, the 10% is the 58.59, and that brings the total to 170.04.
174 cents. Okay, good.
Okay. Now, all right, I'm going to do the inventory.
Okay,
All right, let me get my stuff ready on the journal for that. Sorry.
that's fine.
First, I have to. Okay. All right, so we will begin with the regular coffee. Okay, and so the date is 28, and we sold 78 pounds. And that's for the 1.62397. Bringing that amount to $126.59. See what you get before I go any further.
What did you say? 59 or 60? Okay, good.
No, I said
Good.
1.659.
Perfect. Yep.
All right, so we have our 114.5 minus the 78. And that brings us to 36.5. Okay. And 185.33 minus 126.59 equals 59.24. 59.24. And that brings our new total to be 1.623014.
Okay, so it changed actually a lot from 2229 to 230.
We have almost nothing left.
Yep, we have almost nothing left. We're still waiting on that purchase order. We did make a purchase order, so don't forget about that.
Okay. And I'm blacking that one out, and then I'm moving over here to screen coffee. And the date again is 28. And let's do this time, 75 pounds.
Okay, do we have enough for 75?
No, I'm going to do this in 2 batches.
So we got 26 in batch 1.
Yep. So, 26. And that's going to be the whole thing. So, 47.84. And then
47.84.
so we had 75 minus 26. I need 49. 49 is coming out of the 185 batch.
Yep, we only have one batch left anyways.
Right. So let me sum these so I can total my column here. Okay, so 75. And we have total here. the 26 is the 47.84, and then the 49 at the 185 is 90.65, which is a total of $138.49.
Okay.
And so we're wiping away the one up top. That is
Yeah.
now 0. And then
125 minus 49.
5 minus 49 equals 76.
76. Let's double check that. So 60. And what was it?
What?
Okay, good.
125 minus what? 75?
Yeah, 76. I have 76.
Oh, what the heck? Okay.
I'm just double confirming that my
Oh, no,
calculations went
I
through.
thought so. Okay, I got you. So, yes, and the 140.60 is what's left.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And
So this is the 28.
regular, and that is going to be the 126. 59. And what do you call that? The journal. Oh my goodness.
We're almost there. We're almost done.
Here. And cream was 138.49.
13849.
And now, since I have it big letters, don't forget the ledger.
Okay.
Big, it's highlighted and red and yellow. Well, I think
Okay.
McDonald's.
Good. All right.
Yeah, I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta remember it. So, okay, so cost of goods sold. And first, the regular coffee, which is 550. And the date of it is still the 28th, right? Yes.
Yes, it is the 28th.
It wasn't the 20. Okay. And we sold
78.
pounds. And so that was $126.59 in the debit column, bringing the total to $749.26. That what you got too?
Hmm?
Okay. All right.
Yeah, yes, that's correct.
Okay, I just want to make sure you got it and you were where I'm at. So next, screen copy, 628, sold 75 pounds. Journal 16, and that's for the 138.49, bringing that amount to $774.15.
77415. Good.
And now we will go back to the assets, and we are looking for the 1220, the regular coffee. Okay, 28 sold 78 pounds. Journal 16. Again, 126.59, bringing that amount to the $59.24.
5924. Does that match your inventory worksheet? Yes, it does. 5924. Good.
All right. And then we go to
Supreme coffee. 628.
28, 75. making that total $140.60.
140.60. Does that match our inventory worksheet? Yes, indeed, it does. 140.60. So good. All right. Let's see if we're good on time. Yes, we finished this by 4:30. So again, we are gonna leave off right here on the 28th. All we have to do is come back tomorrow to finish up the daily sales. Okay, we're gonna be going over how to do payroll.
All right.
So that's going to be very exciting, and we're going to complete the trial balance together.
Nice.
Okay, so with that being said, we're also going to learn chapter 13 on what to do when it comes to adjustments. All right, so that's going to be something that we're going to be looking forward to. Tomorrow, I'll also make another big announcement for everything else to complete the rest of the class. All right, other than that, you guys are free to go. I shall see you tomorrow. Have a
Yes.
good rest of your day.
Okay. Good night,
Good night, guys.
everybody.